Today's topic is on snoring. People who snore often have too much throat and nasal tissue or floppy tissue that is more prone to vibrate. Relaxation due to weakness in muscles of tongue, tonsils and uvula can narrow the way of breathing during sleep, causes loud snoring with sleep disturbance and breathing difficulty. Snoring can lead to poor sleep and daytime fatigue, irritability, and increased health problems. New advances in the treatment of snoring are being made all the time, and the various devices available to stop snoring are becoming more and more effective. Thank you.